My name is Vitaly Yurchenko, and I'm the Director of Business Development at SoundHound. It's been really interesting to see the progression of speech technology over the years and how we've gone from dialogue-based systems to more conversational systems. So the first question that I ask is why? What really drives the need to have a voice assistant? What are some of the key problems that you're trying to solve? And there's really no right answer here. It could be because they're interested in creating a better user experience, or they want to take the brand that they already have and extend it to a new channel. And depending on what the answer is, it really affects how you should be approaching your speech strategy. Do you want to have a user experience that is the same whether you're in the home, on the phone, or in the car? Or do you want to give personality to your voice assistant? I think every single one needs to have emotion, and you need to make attachment to your personal voice assistant. That's one thing that you can get by going to an independent voice AI platform. And the even bigger question is, who owns the data? The data about your customers is really valuable, and do you want to give up control of that data to somebody else? The first thing is, how do you understand what your customers actually need? How do you validate those user stories and make sure that your vision is aligned with the needs of your customers? It's actually very tempting for companies to just dive into it and build out those skills as they go along, but this typically leads to less than ideal results. There's actually a lot of expertise that is needed to design a good speech system. You should take the building blocks that are already available and use them, because they already incorporate all of the best design best practices. And you as a company should concentrate on building out new functionality that really differentiates you. Of course, this is something that is very hard to do. And if you don't do it right, you will lose your customer, possibly for the life of your device. But when it's done properly, it's actually a very engaging experience. So you need to be looking at how your users are interacting with the system, where the interactions are successful, when they're not, how do you fix them? A voice deployment is never over. The moment you let it go, that's when you lose control of the interaction. Ensure that when you're designing your solution, you design with the environment in mind. If you're going to be in the car, there's going to be road noise, there's going to be wind noise, and these are not the best environment for flawless recognition accuracy. So you need to be building acoustic models, for example, that are specifically built for that environment that your users are going to expect. There is no silver bullet in speech design and in voice. You just need to put your time, you need to put your effort, you need to test a lot, and you need to refine your solution over time. And in the end, you will be successful.